Alright, welcome back to JRF Mechanical. Today we're going to work on a Camry. This time it's a passenger, or you can do a driver side. The handles are plastic and they bust like crazy. Basically you'll need to get a tool or something to pry it safely. Specifically when you got newer vehicles, you don't want to ruin the interior, and you'll see that it looks like there's not much screws. But in this case there is going to be one here, there's going to be one there behind this. And you would simply just pop this little clip here by using this clipper, and then you could or a tiny screwdriver like that and pop it. I was able to disconnect it by pushing the little clips here and get you're going to want to take this off too, because part of this got to pop up, so take that off, but you don't need to take your mirror off. Once you get to that point, then you'll be able to get behind here and start finding where the tight spots are that holds this to the door. Well, let me show you here in a second. Okay, once you get them popped, they're going to be a Phillip. Same for that one. Let's see if you can see in there. Yep, Phillip. So I'm going to go grab that and show you that that's what you need next to take it off. Once you get those out, that one and this one, you're going to have to go under here and get that off and this one off before you start prying on it. Okay, so you're going to break it. Okay, and then once you get those bottom ones out, be aware if you have anything in here, it'll fall out. Then pop this clip off, and there'll be another Phillip. Alright, well, unfortunately, sometimes plastic break. They're really cheap to get, but oh well. It gets caught, and I was using it to get under here and trying to get it to free, but then you're trying to pry a little bit, and then it just busts. But it is an older car, so anyway, in the matter of fact, so now all you have to do now is get this peeled back, and you'll be able to get in here with your door handle through this opening, and you can take that off instead of ripping it if you don't want to rip it, and you get your door handle here. You're going to have to fight it a little bit with this and that. I got it on eBay. You can get it on Rock Auto and that, but you're going to want to try to get your same color match so you don't have to worry about painting it. But the tricky part is just getting it unbolted and then get it off of that clip right there. Yeah. Okay, and then you're going to need an extension 10mm socket to get to this one. A 10mm, and you should be able to get to this one. And then it's real tricky to get to this other one in here. But right now I'm on the second one, so hang tight. So this is what I was using, the 10mm, and then this might work trying to get in here and see what you're doing. It is kind of hard to see. See that up there a little bit? Let's show you a little bit here. Right there. So you got to get up in there and get it. And I'm after that one right there, which is, let's see if you can see it here. It's really close there. Let's see. There it is. I'm feeling it in my finger right there. I have to get to that right there. And it's the other nut that's difficult to get to because they make our lives miserable. But if you can see it, this is where I'm after. You can get those really easy with the 2 holes opening. So, alright, well, that was the front right. So, hopefully this video will help you out. Once you get in there, then you can get that linkage off without breaking it. But it's already like half loose, so alright, well, hopefully this will help you out, and then you can put everything back in the reverse order. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up.